If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana video update. Alright, so the last time that I made the Solana update, we did actually came down to 23.5, okay? And that was the golden ratio that I was talking about. So if I do take the the bottom here to the top of the fib retracement, you can see that it actually did came down there, but it wasn't a very clear bounce, not a very clear convincing bounce. And what I would like to say is still there's no problem at all if you do end up coming down like this to 22.56 and retest 22.56. I would consider this one way more safe and way more convenient, if that's the word that I can use right now. This is more safe and convenient to actually come down to 22.56 or even 23.28. Anywhere between these two areas of the fib retracement on 0.5 and 0.618 is actually going to be good, and retest them and you're good to go all the way up to your technical target, which is actually $33. So it's not going to be a very long update today, but just a very quick comment about the situation of what Solana is doing right now. So let's remove the fib retracement, and one last thing to talk about is on the daily time frame. So let's do that. The daily time frame now looks something like this, and if you look at the daily, you do have some reversal candlesticks. You do have a little bit of spinning tops right over there. So personally, I think you could have even already backtested everything right here, but if you do end up coming down here again, it's still not an issue, because there could be a possibility of a stop loss hunt at 23.54, because I mean, come on, everybody knows people are going to have their stop losses down here. It's very, very clear stop loss. I think it's an easy trade for anyone to say, oh, that's a nice candlestick of a reversal pattern, let's just put the stop loss here. They might end up taking the stop loss because this can still be your buying zone at $22 and then push it to the upside. But finger crossed, it's not necessarily so. What I can say is that you don't want to come anywhere near this low level here, 20.28. This is the better stop loss, and stop loss you might consider giving it a big room to breathe, because it's very clear that if it ever comes down here, the intention is to continue lower. That's pretty much it for this Solana update right now, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.